In this video, I'll show you how to add categories to a Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, when it's come to certain categories, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna go onto your Discord server, right? I just created mine, so I want to add a category for all this, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna click on here. So I clicked on, I'm gonna click on this create category, right? So I want to name this category. Let me say a category is like a channel section where other like a section where other channels would be under, right? So I'm gonna call this category important. So once I'm done, I'm gonna click on this create category. You can see right here, I just created it, right? So what I'm gonna do now, if I want to add all this to it, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move it to be under, right? So you can see I just created this category important. I'm gonna create again. Let me see, I can come on here and create. I'll click on this. I want to create a community chat, right? So I'm gonna type in community chats. So once I'm done, I'm gonna click on the create category, right? So you can see we just created our own category right here. This is important. This is the community chat. If you find this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.